Welcome to Programming ABC. It is the third video of complete database tutorial by Programming ABC. First video how to load, and second video new add this two button function, and this video you will show about save or update click, delete click and next click event. Open database support module. At first save click, save or update, not save, just update. F1 for I in array ng range, sorry, for I in preview get children, get children, get children. At first delete all item from preview. Delete I, and then load data. Check, run it working or not. (22) Programming AC. Now we add 23 number item. His name is is 30. Address. Add click, clear, and I not appear. Save or update. 23 number. Shirazul is 30. This button is working. Now we write delete button event, delete click, RESPONSE response equal MESSAG message box ASK as yes no. CONFIRM confirm. Do anti do you want to delete this item permanently permanently. If response equal true, true. If response equal to true, kk equal preview SELECTION selection 0 and VLU values equal TUPLE tuple dot item kk third bracket single quote VALUES values and copy this 3 line delete. Music connect on cursor execute QUERY query equal double quote DE use capital letter DELET delete FROM from data WACRE NAME name equal hard AND and AZE is equal hard AND and EMAIL email equal hard AND and A double D R E double S address equal hot close double quote cursor execute QUERY query star VALUES values con dot COMMIT 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 if RESPO and SC response equal FLSC false then return return return. Now we check run. Now we delete 22 num data ABC programming ABC from this database. I clicked delete, confirm, message dialog. Do you want to permanently this item? If no, then return. This I click yes, then delete, click OK. Now update 22 num item delete permanently. It is working. Now I add next button event. Next UNT count at first video we use count count right again count 0 and count equal string len preview G to get CHILDREN get children print COUNT how work account total item number of preview item or raw count next 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and selection preview SELECTION 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 0 and how to use selection is selection produce ID 005 and ID 00A and next item ID 00B. This ID we could not use. To use this import index number and index number we need index number and x index is the selection index selection, I number, index selection number, three number, index num start into 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 7 number, 9 number. Now we can use this number real count equal and count count minus 1, count number 10 before count number 10 and index number 9. Now count number, real count number 9 and index number also 9, last item. Now we make a condition: if INUMBER index number double equal real count, then return else CHIL child equal scroll preview dot any x next selection and preview SELECTION selection set selection set CHIL child. This two line not needed. Now check next button working or not. Sorry, true dot you can add this name address add update. Now next button, no error, again no error, and you can email address add update this number. Now next no error, this button working properly. And my last video I show previous button event and search button event, search by name, these two event. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.